Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing iQOO New 10 versus iQOO Z10R. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, updates, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display size, display brightness, display type, display resolution, refresh rate, PPI density, color and HDR, screen to body ratio, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, Geekbench Score, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, selfie camera video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, main camera video, sound, loudspeaker, .5 mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, network, price, smartphone's price, final result, winner. Thank you so much for watching this video.